Not these bad traitors. We finally go. Almost there. Alright, you can get loud. Alright, let's go, guys. Wait for me. Others. Others. Runners. I really can't believe you're going. Alright. Wait, guys. I'm gonna. Yeah, that ship is. Bubbles just wanted to get out of there. Oh, yeah, they're friendly. Okay, go one. This is it. How? That's me. Is it? Wait, no. Where'd he go? Man. Yeah, no, there's sound really is maybe it's gonna be okay. I hope so. Okay. Finally, we get out of here. That's a start for there to this. Alright, that. Let's press that right there. There's a morning. There's Cái đôi này tôi and then that is the hairs. I'm not head bit short. Take care of that. Maybe that says it. Now, what they say is do. I do taste this. Huh? Oh? Huh? 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 I want to see too. Cornelius. We're back, late, and we're later, and then on this internet, Melody, Cornelius, Johannes stood pleased, and you walked away from them. What? From Greenbird. Greenbird is frenzy bird. Can barely stay sticking. And then Melody the still teaching new bird. He stood still all nursed. And you just a horrible beak. You just barely. Just look in my feathers. Oh, cowards. Don't let me look! Shit, you are ruining. Well, now, Rex taken down. Oh no. Oh no, get out of here. This side of her, I'll draw these in. Oh no, it looks like my meme. Oh, that's... No, you don't. Cornelius. Oh. You have to listen. We're Angry Birds. And you're an Angry Bird. And you're an Angry Bird. And what are you Angry Birds as it is? And then be a team? Don't you forget. Huh? You should be motivated. And then you expected to be in the response. What? Take him. Who's Melody? Oh no. Oh no. Melody's a predator. Natural daughter for fun. One of the traitors is so long. Like this. Long time to go. That's the city rated for the pigs. Then there's this. Man, that's a starter there. This is another, that's our anonymous. And the third. And that's where I say sit down. And there's hers. Seriously. And then the third. Oh. Let's start. Oh, there's. Okay. Now you go to status. Okay. No. Let's go with this last level. Find where's melody. Find the melody. Yes, a third one. And I don't know what. Lay down in the oceans. Man, I don't know who you are. That's it. I think that's your standard. Ah, that's your taste. Maybe we're staying for. Oh, it's her signature. Melody. 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 3 minutes later. Man, I don't know where we're going. I'm just staring. Wait, did you see that? Is this the... Oh, look at this island. Maybe it's the one way to find out. Meanwhile, in the bird island. What? What I am? Huh? Huh. You just stick to it. Cornelius. Huh? Ha ha ha. Huh? 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 Yeah, this is a day series. Don't worry. Huh? This is the platform. My girl, don't worry. You wanna stay watching with Rex. Oh. Huh? You gonna watch my friend saving me, huh? Always Angry Birds say no. The Rex gonna watch everything. Don't worry. Alright. Something about me, Melody, just call me. You find the Angry Birds. And because I flying. Okay, so Bill said. My friends save me. Money. Guys, I find it. Huh? 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 Her? We find it. Money, I gotta get. Shh. That Panther is protecting in the jail. Careful, please. Okay, I'm not gonna let you go. Oh my god, what I gotta do? What is it? Shh. Don't talk more voice. If you dare. Look, Rex is watching everything. And you are gonna be, guys, you're gonna be standing up for that, yeah? Yes. Okay, don't scream anything that I don't like. Alright, Melanie, gonna get you out of here. Alright. You sure about that? Of course. I'm not gonna let you. Oh! This is when I do this. This is do this. Don't worry. Not the other shirt. Shut up. And then I can't do it. I can't see. Shut up. And that is fruits. That do it. Let's go. Oh. Ah. Oh. Huh? Let him go. Not too for long. Hey, hey, you're not my father. Hey. That's who it is. You're in that house, don't worry. Well, these come for us. He's an angry bird. Now follow. Destroy the jail. And for letters at your legs. Prepare to be this. Look at this. Oh, no. Near that silence. You just the room myself. Because your father is a spelling. You couldn't. Honey, I gotta get you out of there. No! Your tiny legs, just go away. But take care. Oh, no. You want such a Henry, Molly. Just let him in the powerful jail. Oh, no. Molly. It is stop right now. But first, you have to this. My robot overtakes what I need. Oh no. No, I present to you my long years robot. Song? What is that? Yeah, this is what I speak in French. You know what? My bird island. But it is not exist anymore. But it is this because on the islands is covered in desert. Then I gonna destroy after so long. Oh. Help! I just get out of this. What? You know this melody? You want then? Oh, yes. But let him alone. This is my daughter music, man. Now activate the weapon. Yes. My head. Oh, there's one pin stump on your hand. No, this is the weapon hand. And I gonna use the melody. Shine the graphene now. Oh no, watch out. Shit, you bastard. Where are you? Monday. Okay, Monday. Shut up. I'm nervous. Maybe this is the third word at the end. What? Because it's the to end and then it wouldn't. Where do you go? Ah! Where the frick are you? Where are you? You can't hide from me. Just let me see you. Because I gotta be good for you, Melody. Just other sister at. Don't tell Melody. It's the hers. Not yours. He's gone. Is that? Alright. Okay. Thank goodness. Is ow! Ow! Huh? Sounds hurt something. Oh no. Aha! Oh. No, please! You're not my father! Of course. I know you said that. No! You just come with me. No! Yes! Take care for the angry birds. Oh no, Angry Birds, we have to get a slingshot. You have a slingshot perfect to use. This one over here. Here? It's a green slingshot. It's made of it's made of tiger woods. Tiger woods? Yeah, this. Right. Hey! You can't. No! Just jump on the cliff, Melody. I can't escape from the falling. Okay. You understand this. You call birthday that you understand angry pot. And then I forget you something to show you. My imperative and my imperial place. Good work, Cornelius. You do anything that I want. And 4. I gotta suck. Can you please let me suck the powers? Of course, my imperative. What? Oh, Ren, you're... Man, my beak! Ah! And my beak is big. What is wrong? What's wrong? They said that. Oh God. Oh no, you don't. No. I need more. But I hated it, and you keep finding it. I'm not sure. You Nathan, you're the terrible father for me. Shitted Saturday. Hmm? You say that. It's a me that. I'm angry bird. Can you stop please on this? Oh no! I lost my... Again singing. Sorry. No, let's do everything darkness. I know where we are. I can't see nothing of you. Impedance. Huh? Or too late for this. You on my design. What? And the Karenson? I know that's separate. Womp. Your powers doesn't mean I can beat this out. And you're the sun. I guess this. No, they were dancing at that. Traitors. I see that you understand. Oh, what are we at? Sorry, this started. Why did you do that, Cornelius? It's for your good. No, I am the angry bird, and you don't do that to me. You sorry. Oh, hello, Slender. What are you doing? And you're a bird. Sorry, Chuck. I'm necessarily going for you. Not that your head's been for long. Huh? What? How are you? I am Hello. Wait a second. You on another frenzy bird? Yes, it is that. But I not have any powers. I have blazing something. Oh, blazing something. You not have a power. Hold it. My power, my in power is to boing everywhere. Boing! Hody ho! Boing, 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 boing. Ah! 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 Come on, that's hurts. What you do status and now for the taste guys. Hello. Oh, hello, I can be the hostility. Of course. Oh, did I do this? Sorry, Cornelius. I guess I'm a lazy pig. And wait a minute, where's Mac Dog? I don't know. As you can see that there's a door. Hey, Mac don't guess this. Shut up. My power is to boing hand on you. Who? Yeah. Yo. Wow. Thank you. Come on, bird. You have to go. Come back here. Don't silence me. Sada Morty certain. Start Lex. Oh, sorry. Boy. Haha. You the not with the world, dude. Boy. Huh. This is or not that thing. No. I'm sorry about this. Please stay with me. Oh no. Oh yes. Totally. Oh no. Oh. Ha. I defeated. We defeated. It's over, Cornelius. No, this dog like to keep food. You the yes, you like the this. In the bed says, leave in my letters today. I gotta get you next time. Next time today, that says I thought. Nick your belly. Where's that? Wait. Oh, well, but I have a power. I got it. Don't explode. Ha ha. That's right. You're not my father. Right. What is late to get the what? Let's go Billy is it. Alright, we did it. And what's your name? Hello? And Meko is not in the McDonald's. It's me, Meko, big. And the street is. And under Meko's, that's MacDuck. Under MacDuck? It's not in the McDonald's. It's under the island. I don't know. The under island maybe is a match with the seat. The seat for this one. Right the map. Huh? What is this? Oh, maybe there's that other. Yeah, the other did. Don't you think you win a reverse? Huh? Right there. The Empress will back in, not just here, in Hollow Island. Wait, Hollow Island? This is the 100 owned bird island, but it's not it's a desert. Maybe it's the black. Oh no. Well, how do that? I do them to everything it says. And do help that started to destroy the out island. And then you feed Nazis on the battles. Maybe it's another research into you that. And then see y'all all. Man, he's gone. Man, he's in a shadow. Maybe we have to save the day. Maybe it's a level under complete. I construct under ship. 1, 2, help the island. This is all for now. We need to save the island before it happens. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Next stop, Hollow Island. Kyo. Kyo. Why